Hi folks, today I want to walk you through how to create appointment slots in Google Calendar. If I want to conference with students, engage in a Google Hangout, this is a great way to schedule time with students while also giving them some autonomy in terms of selecting the time. Let's say I want to hold office hours between 11 and 12:20. I'm going to title my event. I'm going to go to appointment slots here. And then I can determine how long my slots are. Maybe I want to do 10-minute appointments. Once I've set that up and I've scheduled that, I'm going to press save. Now I can click on the event itself and go to appointments page for this calendar. Now I'm going to select next available appointment. And this is the calendar link that I can push out to students so that they'll be able to sign up for those various office hours. So I'm going to copy this link over. And then I'll paste that link in my Google Classroom or my Canvas. For those office hours, it'll appear here, and then you'll be able to engage with your students online. It has conference availability. Make sure you select Add a Google Hangout. That'll create that link there that makes you and your student able to connect with each other. Calendar as a great way to make connections with students and schedule time with them. You can also go directly to Google Hangouts to chat with them or start and engage that chat, whether it be written or that face-to-face video chat.